Hey guys, it's your favorite artist Moonlightsama, or as I say it in Japanese, Hajime Mashite, Watashi wa Sama desu. Um, a lot of you artists have been asking me on how I uploaded my manga on Webtoon. Yeah, you've been storming my DM seriously. So I decided on making a video to show you guys on how I uploaded these guys on Webtoon. Before I start this, I really want to appreciate everyone who's been supporting me so far, via reviews, comments, social media, and other stuff. You guys are really amazing. Thank you so much. So, next we launch Webtoon. So site's loaded. You see now it's in mobile view. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to change to desktop mode. This option is available on all recent browsers. I don't know for Opera. I don't think Opera has it, but I believe all recent browsers has that. So just click it, desktop site. So the site automatically refreshes and takes you to the desktop view of the website. So you can see some features have already been unlocked, some things you were not seeing in mobile view. I'm just gonna zoom in and you see some things. So these are episodes already done. This is where you can check your reviews and other stuff. There's a link where you can link your Patreon there. There are other platforms you can share to over there. Just gonna log in real quick. Okay, it's already logged me in, and we're off. Pay close attention to this interface so it doesn't look confusing to you when you're doing it on your own. Alright. Just gonna click publish. In this windows, there are two options to pick from, but we're going for create series first. Here you see boxes where you fill information on your story, your series title and stuff. There's a summary box where you type about the story. I'm just gonna do something quick here. I'm not gonna do much. It's time to add a thumbnail for your story. So just pick a particular picture you want for your storyboard and make sure it's the appropriate size. They have guidelines of sizes to use when uploading. So I'm just gonna look for one real quick. Maybe okay, this one's too big. Look for another. There's gotta be one somewhere. Nope, no, this doesn't work. I don't want that. So I'm setting up a store where I'll be selling merch. Be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Support me, please. The money goes to the company. We're trying to build a publishing network where we publish manga. It doesn't matter what country you're from or what backgrounds you have, just as long as you're creative, we accept you. But right now the company is still in the starting phase. So that's done. Click next. So now it's time to add an episode. This place, you really want to pay a very good attention to the instructions they give you. So I'm just gonna do something real quick again to just give you an idea on what to do. Look for another image to use. I think I'd use this one. It's better. That art was done by a friend of mine. Is real cool, Mr. Mukhtar. You can check him out on Instagram. He's an artist too at GMC. Again, I stress on you paying attention to the instructions they give you on the site. There's a size Webtoon normally uses for book pages. I'm just gonna look for one if I have one already inside my phone. I don't think I have any. No. Okay. Dang. Okay, I'm just gonna work with something simpler then. Let's use this one. I think it's too big. It's too big. It wouldn't fit. No. Alright, this one worked. So next you're gonna want to publish. After you fill in all the informations needed, there's an option to publish immediately or schedule it. I'm just gonna do it immediately. Click yes and you're a go. Do it again. It didn't work the last time. Yes, I want to publish. And voila, you have your webcomic uploaded. So what you're gonna do now is tell people about your work and how it's on Webtoon. If there's anything you'd like to know more, you can ask question down below. I'm gonna make another video on how to upload a gig on Fiverr using your Android phone. Just gonna do something real quick so you can view this in mobile view. I'm gonna switch back to mobile mode. Take your time to explore the site. It's a very wide interface and it's fun to use, easy to use. I really love the work they did on this. It's amazing. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all, please do so by leaving them on the comment section below. For staying till the end of this video, you get a bonus. So enjoy me painting this character from my book. I don't have a tablet, so I do most of my drawings on my mobile phone. If you'd like to support me, you can contact me directly via the link I'm going to be leaving below. It has access to all my social media accounts and all my external links. Thank you once again. My name is Moonlightsama. Enjoy the rest of the video.